Hey folks, welcome back to Trailer Tales and Stuff. Today we're checking out the Arzopa Z1RC, a budget-friendly 16-inch portable monitor that's been gaining traction online. We'll walk through the basic features, how it performs, and who it's best for. So let's dive in. The Arzopa Z1RC is a 16-inch IPS portable monitor with a 2.5K QHD resolution of 2560 by 1600. It's a 16 by 10 aspect ratio, 100% sRGB and an 8-bit plus FRC panel, great for vibrant, accurate colors. Inside the box you'll find a basic instruction leaflet, a warranty card, a mini HDMI to regular HDMI cable, a USB-A to USB-C cable, and a USB-C to USB-C cable. The design of the monitor is slim and pretty lightweight, around 810 grams or 1.13 pounds in old money. The all metal body gives a durable and premium feel, and the kickstand is adjustable up to about 80 degrees, allowing both landscape and portrait orientation. Controls for power, brightness and volume are on the edge of the monitor, along with two USB-C ports and one mini HDMI port. Setup is very much plug and play, no drivers needed. It supports a wide range of devices thanks to the included cables and ports. Windows or Mac laptops, smartphones, tablets and gaming consoles like PS5, Xbox, Switch and even Steam Deck. For phones or consoles with limited power output, you'll need an external adapter, and it's recommended for at least 5V 3A. Adjustments like brightness and color can easily be done via the OSD menu on screen. The display on this monitor really shines. You've got 2.5K resolution on a 16-inch screen, so detail is sharp and text is crisp. You get 100% sRGB, so pretty good for general work and media. The 60Hz refresh rate is smooth enough for video, basic media and productivity, though probably not ideal for competitive gaming. So, is the Arzopa Z1RC worth it? If you're looking for a bright, sharp and affordable portable 16-inch monitor, then the answer is yes, especially for productivity, editing or media. Just be sure to pick up a protective sleeve to keep it in, as it doesn't come with one, and maybe some better speakers or headphones if you plan on listening for an extended period of time. If you like this review, please leave some comments and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.